We are now on the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 section, basically the odd numbers. And on this first one, we have a pair of ones, a pung of threes, a kong of fives, a pung of sevens, and then a pair of nines on the first one. And notice they're all one color, so they're all one suit. Then in the second part, we've got three different colors. So we're going to use three different suits. We'll have a pair of ones, a pung of threes, a kong of fives, and a second color. So we've got one suit, two suits. Now we have a third color where we have a pung of sevens and then a pair of nines. So in the parentheses, it says any one or three suits. So one suit if you have this particular one, and then three suits if you decide to use our second option in this hand. It has to be these numbers. It is not telling us anything different, so it has to be these numbers. In fact, I would say if not all, almost all, because I haven't really looked at every one of them completely close, will have to be the numbers that are given, not like the consecutive run like we just got done with. So here's an example. I'm using dots. So I have my 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all in dots. So that's an example of this one. If I switch it out, I have to have a different suit in my fives. So I have my pung of fives in cracks. And now I have to have my third suit. So I'm using my bams for my 7 and my 9s. All right, so where I can use my jokers. I cannot use them in pairs, so I have to be pung or greater. So my pungs and my kong here, I can switch out for jokers if I wanted to, if I had them. I'm never lucky enough to actually get this many jokers, but it's a great representation of where you can use your jokers. And remember, with jokers, you can actually use, like, you don't have to have one of them to be able to use it. If I didn't have any of those sevens, I could just use jokers there if I had them. So hopefully this helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day.